Good afternoon all. Today I would like to evaluate yesterday's class. So yesterday we have discussed about that composite materials, especially the types of composite materials based on the structure. We already know that the types of composite materials are going to be classified under various conditions. So under that, types of composite material based on structures is the one condition. So today I would like to divide entire that our class into the 5 batches, and here I would like to give naming of our batch is the classification of our composite material name. That one type of the classification it is fiber, and the second one is the particle, third one is the flake, laminar and filler. So my 5 batches are fiber, particle, flake, laminar and filler. Okay, so coming to the second activity, and this fiber group has to be discussed among yourself and come to the conclusion that what are the advantages and disadvantages of these fiber composite materials, and you people all have to discuss among yourself and come to the conclusion, list out the what are the concluded points related to the advantages and disadvantages. Just make a note down, those are all points. And the activity 3, you people have to be present. These are all points on the stage with the help of PPT or at least oral presentation. Of course, you may use some of the prototypes, some of the example components also you can show the remaining guys. So activity 2, it is allotted for the 5 minutes. Activity 3 is also allotted for the 5 minutes for your presentation as well as 1 or 2 queries. Right. Once you presented, next second batch will come to present for this. For example, if the fiber group has presented their advantages and disadvantages after they completed the queries, rest of the people queries, then second batch will come, particle batch will come, and they will present their advantages and disadvantages. Of course, it should be positive and a cool manner. And after that, flake batch will come, and they will present what are the advantages and disadvantages, like that laminar and filler also. So once you finish this, all the people may recapitulate your knowledge and your important points, and you may come to one conclusion that you may have to know all, you might understand all the concepts of fiber, particle, flake, laminar and filler of the composite materials, and what are the advantages and disadvantages individually, and very easily you can identify the design of one of the composite material directly. You can select based upon the requirement. That's a good thing. After completion of that, I would like to conduct one quiz test. So guys, this quiz test is one of the important aspect. So in each and every quiz, every type of fiber composite, I would like to give the 2 to 3 questions, and I would like to give 10 minutes of duration. In that 10 minutes of duration, you have to finish that all 10 to 15 questions, or maximum I would like to give the 10 questions. In that 10 questions, you have to answer all the questions, and the questions are going to be presented as multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, true or false. Once completed that, within the 10 minutes, that is a Google sheet for example, it's obviously you can understand how many marks you can get, that marks, how much you got. And after completion of that, evaluation process for the entire today's activity evaluation, I would like to present like this. Your presentation will give that 5 marks, batch wise, individual wise also. Within the batch, the active people will be there. Based on that, I would like to present, and I would like to ask some questions after completion of your presentation, your exam also, how you are going to be reply for that. And next one, quiz test. Obviously, you might know that you might already available those 10 points. In that 10 points, it's around maybe you may get 8, 9, 7 points. That's the thing I would like to conduct today. But guys, don't worry, I'm with you at the time of presentation, at the time of examination, at the time of queries also. I'm with you. Definitely I'm going to be support you guys. Don't be fear. And remember, this is one type of the learning aspect, right? This learning process will help you a lot to identify the required material as per your specified properties. As a mechanical engineer, we should understand the properties of all the materials, especially the composite materials are advanced and very useful for our designs. Thank you guys. So I hope you understand all the things. If you have any queries, please contact me, please ask me, and after that we are going to be started. Thank you. All the best.